Yeah, man, the best driver in the world. Yeah, man. See the jeep? 6:30 in the morning. It's still traffic already in Manila. This is the Philippine famous place here. And then this is the best driver from Philippines. Yeah, man. What's your name? What's your name?
I'm shy.
Mean Malayu. Malayu. Just now I said Malayu. What's it mean?
Par.
Pa.
Par.
Oh, pa is Malayu. Oh, I learned another Philippine word now. Pa. What park this name called? This one. This one.
Luneta.
Meta.
Luneta. Luneta Park.
Oh, this famous one, Meta Park in capital Manila, right?
That is where Rara want to go.
Oh.
Hindi katulad ng araw na talaga. May pinagawa na. Hindi, galing siya ng Paranaque tapos gusto niya dito, Chinatown dito. Chinatown? Sa Tutuban? Doon sa Binondo. Sa Binondo. Hindi, manggagaling siya ng ano eh.
What's the police doing now? Oh, this is high-rise building, di ba? Now we Manila already now, city center already.